Hello learners, welcome to this CUET undergraduate program and I am Shashank welcoming you all in today's session. So learners, in today's session I will be discussing the topic of physiography of India with you, and it is one of the important topics of the for the examination. Now guys, in today's session I will be discussing the physiographical factors of India, which are the major physiographical factors of India. So let's start the session for today. Let's begin the session for today. Now guys, the first thing we will be discussing about the India as a whole. So first of all guys, if I talk about India, so India, it is located in Asia and it is in the south of the Asia. So it is a South Asian country, and area wise it is the 7th largest country of the world. So it is area wise 7th largest country of the world, and from north to south the length of India is 3214 kilometer. So that is from north to south the length of India. So from north to south the length of India is 3214 kilometer. That is from north to south the length of India is 3214 kilometers, and that is, and then we have from the east west to east it is 2933 kilometer. Then from east to west it is 2933 kilometer. So from east to west it is 2933 kilometers. That is from west to east it is 2933 kilometers guys. So from east to west it is 2933 kilometers, and the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers, and that is around 2.4% of the total area of the world. So Indian area, the area of India, it is 2.4% of the total area of the world, and population of India accounts 17% of the population of the world. So the population of India that accounts 17% of the total population of the world. And the political system of India, it is democratic republic. So the political system of India is democratic republic, where the head of the government is elected by people and the head of the state, that is the president, is elected after every 5 years. So that you will find that the political system is democratic republic. Is that clear to all of you guys about the extremities of India plus total area? And the total area is just 2.4% of the total population of the world and 17% of the total population we have of India. Is that clear to all of you? Now guys, let's come to the extremities of India. Extremities means which are the northernmost point, southernmost point, easternmost point and westernmost point of India. So now let's discuss about the extremities. Now guys, let's discuss about the extremities of India. Extremities means the extreme points of India. So on the north of India, northern part, it is the Indra Col. And Indra Col, where it is located? So it is located in Siachen Glacier. And this is in Karakoram range. So this is Siachen Glacier, that is in Karakoram range. Next we have the south. South, it is Indira Point. Indira Point guys, it is located in Great Nicobar. And now guys, this Indira Point, it is submerged. Reason was the tsunami. Next we have the easternmost point. This is Kibithu, and Kibithu, where it is located? So it is located in Anjao district of Arunachal Pradesh. And then we have the westernmost point. This is called Guhar Moti, and it is located in Kutch district of Gujarat. So it is located in Kutch district of Gujarat, and the southernmost point of India, that is of the mainland, it is Cape Comorin. So it is southernmost point of the mainland of India, it is Cape Comorin, that is called Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, and this is in Tamil Nadu, it is in Rameswaram district of Tamil Nadu. So it is located in Rameswaram district of Tamil Nadu. So it is located in Rameswaram district of Tamil Nadu. Is that clear to all of you guys? So this is about the extremities of India, which are the extreme points of India. Now guys, let's discuss about the next thing, that is about the line that passes through India. So guys, the line that passes through India, it is the Tropic of Cancer. So the line that passes through India is Tropic of Cancer, and that divides India in almost two equal parts. So that is 23.5 degree north of equator. So it is 23.5 degree north of equator, and in India guys, this Tropic of Cancer that passes through 8 states, and it is a latitudinal line. So 23.5 degree half degree latitude, and is located north of equator. North of equator, and you all know equator is 0 degree. Equator is 0 degree latitude of equator, which is 0 degree latitude. So equator guys, it is 0 degree latitude, and this Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. Which are those? That is the Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. So this is Gujarat, then we have Rajasthan, then we have Madhya Pradesh, then we have Chhattisgarh, this is Jharkhand, this is Jharkhand guys, then we have West Bengal, then we have Tripura, and then we have Mizoram. So from 8 states this Tropic of Cancer passes. So the Tropic of Cancer guys, that passes from 8 of the states of India, and it is 23.5 degree north of equator. So that is a latitudinal line, and this Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two equal parts. Not exactly two equal parts, it is almost two equal parts. Is that clear to all of you? So that divides India in almost two equal parts. Now guys, let's talk about this Indian Standard Time, that is called IST. Now guys, let's discuss about IST, that is Indian Standard Time. And Indian Standard Time is 82.5 degree east longitude. So 82.5 degree east longitude, this is called Indian Standard Time. And guys, this Indian Standard Time, it crosses through the 5 states. So you will find that in this IST, it crosses 5 states of India. So which are those states? So which are the states? So first of all guys, let's discuss which are the states. First, that you have to remember a trick that is called Mouca, MOUCA. Mouca. M for Madhya Pradesh, O for Odisha, U for Uttar Pradesh, C for Chhattisgarh, and A for Andhra Pradesh. A for Andhra Pradesh. So these are the 5 states from where you can say these are the 5 states from where the Indian Standard Time passes. Now guys, the question 1, and Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes. 5 hour and 30 minutes. So Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So it is guys 5 hour 30 minute ahead of GMT. GMT it is Greenwich Mean Time, this is prime meridian. So this GMT is Greenwich Mean Time, which is 5 hours 30 minutes. This is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT, and Greenwich Mean Time it is in London and is called prime meridian. Prime meridian, this is 0 degree longitude. So this is 0 degree longitude ki by the time we have there is midnight in GMT, that is in London. So in India it will be 5:30 AM. So I hope guys, is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you guys? Now let's come to the next thing, that is ki from in which state Indian Standard Time and Tropic of Cancer they intersect each other. So in which state of India guys Indian Standard Time and Tropic of Cancer intersect each other? And then the answer will be Chhattisgarh. Then the answer will be Chhattisgarh, because this is 82.5 degree east longitude and this is 23.5 degree north latitude. This is called Tropic of Cancer, and both of them they cut each other in Chhattisgarh. So both of them guys they intersect each other in Chhattisgarh. So is that clear to all of you guys? Then do let me know. Then we'll move to the next thing to discuss. Is that clear to all of you? So now guys I will be moving to the next thing to discuss. Is that clear to all? Now guys let's come to the neighboring states. So neighboring country of India. So first of all guys, as you all know कि India it is a peninsular nation. So India guys it is a peninsular nation which is surrounded from water by three sides. This is Bay of Bengal, then we have Indian Ocean, and then we have Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea, they are the three water bodies that surrounds India. So guys, India it is a peninsular country that is surrounded by water from three sides. So it is surrounded by water from three sides. Surrounded by water from three sides, that is Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and then we have the Arabian Sea. Now guys, if you will find this, it shares the land boundary with 7 countries. So India shares the land boundary with 7 countries, and the length of the land boundary is 15,200 kilometers, whereas the coastline of India is 7516.6 kilometers. So this is the length of the coastline. Length of the coastline of India. And guys, India has land boundary of 15,200 kilometers. Now guys, the question generally comes ki with which country India shares maximum land boundary and with which country the India shares minimum land boundary. And sometimes the examiner give you the question to arrange the countries sequentially. So that sometimes it becomes difficult. So there is a trick to remember. There is a trick to remember that is called in Hindi. It is the trick. It is in Hindi कि बचपन में MBA. So B means Bangladesh. Ch means China. P means Pakistan. N means Nepal. Then we have M, Myanmar. B, Bhutan. And A, Afghanistan. So this is called Bachpan Mein MBA. So these are the 7 countries with which India shares the border. So these are the 7 countries, my dear learners, from which India shares the land boundary. Although guys, we have the water boundary as well. So since India is a peninsular country, therefore we have water boundary as well, and water boundary for every country that is defined by, this is defined by United Nations Convention of Law of the Sea. Law of the Sea. So United Nations Convention of Law of the Sea, this is 200 nautical miles from seashore. So this is 200 nautical miles from the seashore. So from where the sea is shallow, 200 nautical miles is taken into account. And nautical mile, guys, it is a unit to measure the distance in sea. So it is a unit to measure distance in sea. And nautical mile, guys, and you will find that this 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometers. So 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometers. So is that clear, guys? That since we have the land boundary and the countries which are peninsular, you will find the water boundary as well, and it is 1.852 kilometers. That is the water boundary. Is that clear to all of you guys? Then do let me know. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. So now guys, let's come to the next thing. Next thing is about the physiographic division of India. So how the physiography of India is being divided. Guys, Indian physiography, it is divided into 6 geographical regions. So the Indian physiography, it is divided into 6 geographical regions. First is the north and the northeastern mountain. And northeastern mountain, guys, this is the extension of Himalayas. That is the Purvanchal, which is the extension of Himalayas. Next we have the northern plain, then we have the Thar desert, then peninsular plateau, coastal plain and island group. So these are the 6 geographical division of India. So in today's session, guys, I will be discussing about the north and the northern Himalayas, that is the north and northeastern mountain. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now guys, if I talk about this Himalayan range, so Himalayan range, it is the youngest and highest fold mountain in the world. So it is the youngest and highest fold mountain in the world. Fold mountain is like that where you have the conical shape of the mountain. So that is called fold mountain. This is the youngest fold mountain. And the length of this Himalaya is around 2400 to 2500 kilometers. And the shape of Himalaya, this is the bow shaped. So the shape of Himalaya, it is bow shaped. Now guys, let's discuss about the formation of Himalayas. So guys, there are two theories which is very popular related to the formation of Himalaya. One theory is called geosyncline theory. So one theory is called geosyncline theory. Now guys, what is geosyncline theory? According to the geosyncline theory guys, Himalayan mountains, they have come up with a great geosyncline called Tethys Sea. So it is said that ki Himalayan mountain that has come up with great geosyncline called Tethys Sea. So the Himalayan mountain, they are come up with a great geosyncline that is called the Tethys Sea. And guys, how this theory came? According to this theory guys, कि there was during the Permian period. So this theory came, कि how this theory came? So during, it is said that कि during Permian period, that is around 250 million years ago, 250 million years ago, my dear learners, there was a supercontinent. So during the Permian period, there was a supercontinent, and this supercontinent was called Pangaea. So the supercontinent was called Pangaea. And guys, what happened? Ki when there was Pangaea, it was a big supercontinent, and due to the gravitational forces and other forces that was being exerted, so the Pangaea started breaking. So the Pangaea started breaking and it divided. Pangaea, that was divided into two parts. The northern part of Pangaea, what it was called? So northern part of Pangaea was called Angara land, and the southern part was called Gondwana land. So northern part was called Angara land, southern part was called Gondwana land. And you will find that guys ki between Angara land and Gondwana land there was narrow sea, and that sea was called Tethys Sea. So between this Angara land and this Gondwana land there was narrow strip of sea, and this was called Tethys. This was called Tethys Sea. So the narrow strip of the land, that was called Tethys Sea. And you will find that guys ki when the rivers when the rivers were flowing, so mainly there were many rivers that used to flow through the Tethys Sea. So the rivers used to dump their sediments in Tethys Sea. So what happens guys, ke the rivers, they used to dump their sediments in the Tethys Sea. So guys, this deposition of sediment, that continued for a longer time period. And what happened guys, ki this continued for a longer time period. So this continued for longer time period. So this deposition, that continued for the longer time period, my dear learners. And then you will find that ki there was a condition of the folding of the segment. So due to the shear compression, due to compression, what happens? Due to the compression, what happened, my dear learner? Ki this resulted in folding of the sediments. So this resulted in folding of sediments, and due to which, guys, the Himalayas was formed. So due to which Himalaya was formed, that was given by that was given as geosyncline theory. Next we have, that is the most relevant theory, this is called plate tectonic theory. So next theory we have, this is called plate tectonic theory. Now in plate tectonic theory, what happens, guys, it is said that Himalayas are formed due to collision of Indian plate and Eurasian plate. So Himalayas are formed due to the collision of Indian plate and, you can say, the Eurasian plate. And now, guys, what happened, and this thing that started around 50 million years ago, and this thing that started around 50 million years ago, this thing that started around 50 million year ago. Now, guys, what happened is, since the Indian plate was lighter and this Eurasian plate was heavier, so Indian plate was lighter and Eurasian plate was heavier. Eurasian plate was heavier. So what happened, guys, ki the Eurasian plate that subducted under the Indian plate. And so what happened, guys, ki this Europe, when the things collided, so the things which were heavy, that went down and Indian plate subducted over this Eurasian plate. So Indian plate was lighter because it is mainly made up of continental crust. So this is made up of continental crust, and this Eurasian plate, it is made up of oceanic plus continental. Oceanic plus continental crust. Is that clear, guys? I hope it is clear to all of you. So this is due to the formation of Himalayas. Now, guys, let's discuss about the parts of Himalaya. So Himalaya, guys, it is divided into three major parts. It is divided into three major parts. First is called Great Himalaya, and this is called Himadri. Great Himalaya is called Himadri. Middle Himalaya is called Himachal. And Lesser Himalaya is called Shivalik. Lesser Himalaya is called Shivalik. So now, guys, I will be discussing all these three. So that is the Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. So first of all, guys, we will start our discussion with this called Great Himalaya, that is called Himadri. Now we will start our discussion with Himadri. So guys, first of all, parts of the Himalayan range, it is Great Himalaya, that is also known as Himadri. So it is the major part of Himalaya and also called Himadri because it is covered with snow throughout the year. So it is covered with snow throughout the year. Therefore it is called Himadri, and the height is 6 kilometers and 120 kilometers in width. So the height is around 6 kilometer and 120 kilometers from the width, and it is the source of the river like Ganga and Yamuna. Now, guys, whenever I talk about Ganga, so Ganga, the original river is Ganga, original river is Bhagirathi, and then we have Alaknanda. They meet at Deoprayag and then it became Ganga. Then it became Ganga. And Bhagirathi, guys, that originates from Gangotri glacier, from Gomukh in Gangotri glacier, and then we have Alaknanda. Alaknanda that originates from Satopanth glacier. So Alaknanda that originates from the Satopanth glacier, both meet at Deoprayag and then it became Ganga. And Ganga, guys, comes on plain from Haridwar. So Ganga comes on plain from Haridwar. So and Yamuna that originates from the Yamunotri, and the glacier is Bandarpunch glacier. The glacier is Bandarpunch glacier. So it is the part of the rivers system which are perennial in nature. So Himalayan rivers, you will find they are perennial in nature. So the Himalayan rivers, they are perennial in nature. Now guys, let's discuss about the peaks of the Great Himalaya. First is Kanchenjunga, that is in Sikkim, and it is the highest peak of undisputed India. So it is the highest peak of undisputed India. Next is Makalu, Mount Everest, Mansalu, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, they are all in Nepal. So they are all peaks in Nepal. And if I talk about, guys, Mount Everest, it is named after Sir George Everest. It is named after Sir George Everest, and you will find that the height is 8848.86. So it is height is 8848.86 meters, and it is located. So it is located where? So it is located in Nepal-China border. So the base camp for Mount Everest expedition you will find in Nepal itself, but it is in the Nepal-China border, and it is also known as in Nepal, it is called Sagarmatha, and in Tibet called Chomo Lungma. So in Tibet, guys, it is called Chomo Lungma. Next we have Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi, it is in Uttarakhand, and Nanga Parbat, guys, it is in Pakistan. It is in Gilgit Baltistan area. So it is located in Gilgit Baltistan area. So is that clear to all of you guys about this? About this Great Himalaya. So Great Himalaya, that is called Himadri, which is covered by snow throughout the year. Now next we have Middle Himalaya, guys. Middle Himalaya, that is called Himachal. So Middle Himalaya, that is called Himachal, and it is located between Great Himadri and Shivalik. Shivalik, guys, it is Lesser Himalaya. And the height is around 4 km. So it is 4 km in height, and width is around 60 to 80 km. So width is around 60 to 80. Now next is the important ranges. Important ranges, we have Pir Panjal range. This is in Kashmir. then Mahabharat range, Nepal, Dhauladhar range, Himachal Pradesh, plus Nagtibba, this is in Uttarakhand. So these are the important ranges of middle Himalaya. So it is the important range of middle Himalayas. Now guys, let's discuss about the other Himalayan region, that is called Shivalik. Shivalik guys, this is the newest or the outermost part of Himalaya. So it is the outermost part of Himalaya. So it is the newest and outermost part of Himalaya, and the height is around 1 kilometer and width is around 10 to 50 kilometers, and they form valley. So the valley between the Himachal and Shivalik, they are called dunes. So the valley between Himachal and Shivalik, they are called dunes, and Dehradun, it is the best example of valley between Himachal and Shivalik. So Dehradun, it is the best example of Himachal plus Shivalik. Is that clear to all of you guys? Is that clear to all of you? Now let's come to the next thing about, that is about the Trans-Himalayan region. Trans-Himalayan guys, what it exactly means? It means pre-Himalayan region, and the Himalayan region, that is the mountain range that is located on north of Great Himalaya. So they are the mountain range, that is the Trans-Himalaya, it is the mountain range located in north of Himalayas. So it is the mountain range that is located north of Himalaya, and these ranges are before Himalaya. So these ranges, they were being made, these ranges, they were being formed before before Himalaya. So that you can see in the map guys, this is the Himalayan region, and these are the three Trans-Himalaya Himalayan region. So these are the three Trans-Himalayan region. So three Trans-Himalayan region, which are those? Trans-Himalayan region, this is Karakoram. Second we have Ladakh and Zanskar. So these are the three Trans-Himalayan region which are located in north of the Himalaya, that is called Trans-Himalayan region. Is that clear guys? Now first of all guys, Karakoram range. So Karakoram range, it is the length is of 500 kilometer. So the length of the Karakoram, that is the first range, it is the 500 kilometer. Other than this guys, in this range, Siachen Glacier and Bafo Glacier, which are world's second and third largest glacier, they are located in Karakoram range. So Siachen Glacier, this is also the highest battlefield in world. And other than this is between India and Pakistan. So Siachen Glacier and Bafo Glacier, they are located in Karakoram range, and K2, that is called Godwin Austen. It is the second highest peak of the world, that is 8611 meter, and it is located in Karakoram range. And K2, it is also known as Godwin Austen. Godwin Austen, my dear learners, and you will find that this Godwin Austen, this is the this is in now it is in POK, this is in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. So this is in POK. So this is the disputed thing. Other than this, guys, if you will find that the extension of Karakoram range is up to Afghanistan. So the extension of Karakoram range, that is up to Afghanistan, and there you will find it is the that makes the part of Hindu Kush. So Hindu Kush, guys, this is in Afghanistan, and this is the extension of Karakoram range. So that is the extension of Karakoram range, that is the Hindu Kush mountain range. It is the extension of Karakoram range. I hope it is clear to all of you about this Trans Himalaya, that is the located on the northern side of Himalaya. So first is Karakoram. Next we have the Ladakh range. Ladakh range, guys, it is located in central Ladakh, and that lies between Indus and Shyok river and merges with Kailash range in Tibet. So that merges with Kailash range in Tibet. So then you have this Ladakh range that merges with Kailash range in Tibet, and it is between Indus and Shyok river. Now guys, Indus and Shyok both are perennial rivers, and Indus, this originates from the Bokharchu glacier. So Indus originates from Bokharchu glacier, that is near Kailash Mansarovar, that is near Mansarovar. And this Indus, guys, it is called lifeline of Pakistan because it only enters India from in Leh. So only it touches Leh in India. So only it touches Leh in India and enters India from Demchok and exit India from Chillar. So enters India from Demchok and exit India from Chillas. So that enters India from Demchok and exit India from Chillas, and it is called lifeline of Pakistan. And Shyok river, guys, this is tributary of Indus. So this tributary of Indus, and it originates from the Remo glacier and tributary of Indus, and it is also the tributary of Indus, and it is the tributary of Indus, that is the Remo glacier. Is that clear to all of you guys? So this is about the Ladakh range. Then you have the Zanskar range. Zanskar range, it is situated in the north of Himalaya, and you will find that it is being said that it is unofficial boundary between India and Tibet. So it is considered as unofficial boundary between India and Tibet. So it is considered as unofficial boundary between India and Tibet. Is that clear, guys? Unofficial boundary between India and Tibet. That you can see Zanskar range, and there you will find this Ladakh, and then we have the Tibet. So it is the unofficial boundary between India and Tibet, guys. This is being considered as. Next we have, guys, the Kailash range. Kailash range, guys, it is situated near Mansarovar, and it is called King of Mountains. So the Kailash range, this is situated near Mansarovar, that is also known as Kailash Mansarovar, and it is called the King of Mountains with its group of giant peaks. So in the Kailash range you will find giant peaks, and therefore it is called King of Mountains, and it is also known as abode of Lord Shiva. So this is also known as abode of Lord Shiva, or simply you can say home of Lord Shiva, and it is considered as Kailash Parvat, which is considered as home of Lord Shiva, this is Mount Kailash. So that you can see Mount Kailash. This is north of the Mansarovar lake, and there you will find that there are many peaks over there. So this is about the many peaks are there. So there are many giant peaks are there. Therefore it is called the king of peaks or king of mountains. So that is Kailash range. Next we have guys the Pir Panjal range. Pir Panjal range that starts from this Jammu Kashmir to Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh to Jammu Kashmir. This is Pir Panjal range. So Pir Panjal range guys, that you will find that it is located in south of Himalaya, starting from Himachal Pradesh across northwest towards Jammu Kashmir. So this Pir Panjal range, it is south of Himalaya, and you will find that that start from Jammu Kashmir, northwestern part of Jammu Kashmir till Himachal. And the city of Gulmarg is a very important hill station. So Gulmarg guys, it is in Jammu Kashmir. It is located and it lies on the foot of Pir Panjal mountains. Now guys, the river including Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum flow through this range. So the river includes the Ravi. Ravi guys, that starts from the Multai Tehsil. So that originates from Multai Tehsil of Himachal Pradesh. Then Ravi, then we have Chenab. Chenab that starts from the Bara Shigri glacier. So that originates from the Bara Shigri glacier. Bara Shigri glacier that originates from the Bara Shigri glacier, and Jhelum that originates from the Verinag. That originates from the Verinag glacier. That originates from this Verinag glacier. So is that clear guys? The river include Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum. They all originates from this Pir Panjal range. Is that clear to all of you? Next we have guys the Purvanchal range. Now guys, let's discuss about this Purvanchal range. Purvanchal range guys, they are the extension of the Himalayas to the eastern part. So they are the extension of the Himalayas to the eastern part. So Purvanchal range is considered as the extension of Himalaya in the eastern part, and this Purvanchal range covers all the eastern states of India. Now guys, this Purvanchal range contains three parts, that is the Patkai Bum hill, Garo Khasi Jaintia hill, and Lusai hill, that is called Mizo hill. So it is Patkai Bum, Garo Khasi and Jaintia. These are the names of the tribes as well, and then we have Lusai. And Masinram, that is located in Meghalaya region, receives the most rainfall because of these hills. So because of these hills, there you will find orographic rainfall, and due to which Masinram that becomes the most uh, rainiest place of the world. Masinram becomes the rainiest place of the world. Because of these hills, you will find orographic rainfall that occurs largely. So I hope guys it is clear to all of you about the Purvanchal areas. Next we have guys the Aravalli range. Aravalli guys, it is the oldest fold mountain. Now it is residual mountain. So it is residual fold mountain. Residual fold mountain in nature that has been devastated due to erosion. That is due to the erosional activities. Erosional activities, and it is one of the oldest range and has width from 10 km to 100 km. Now guys, in local language, Aravalli means the line of peaks, and that spans with the length of 800 km covering Indian states like Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So there you will find that Aravalli hills are being there. So in Delhi, all the important places of Delhi, like you can say Rashtrapati Bhavan or the old Parliament building, and the North Block and South Block, they are all on Aravalli Hills. Other than this guys, the highest peak of this, and other than this guys, there is a place called Mount Abu. Mount Abu guys, it is in Rajasthan. It is the only hill station in Rajasthan located in the mountain range. So in Rajasthan we have Mount Abu, which is the hill station, and in Mount Abu you will find Dilwara Jain temple. This is in Rajasthan. And other than this, Guru Shikhar, which is the highest point of Aravalli range with elevation of 1722. And Guru Shikhar guys, it is located where? So this Guru Shikhar, it is located in the, it is located on Arbudan range, Arbudan mountain. This is in Sirohi district of Rajasthan. So this is in Sirohi district of Rajasthan. So it is in Sirohi district of Rajasthan. Sirohi district of Rajasthan. So this is Guru Shikhar, and it is dedicated to God Dattatreya. It is dedicated to God Dattatreya, where he did his penance. Now guys, next we have, that is the Satpura and Vidhya range. Satpura and Vidhya guys, you will find that Satpura and Vidhya, they are primarily located. Satpura guys and Vidhya, they are primarily located in which states? So they are located in the states of MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. They are located in MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. They are located in MP, Maharashtra and Gujarat. And it is in the central part of India, running parallelly to each other. That is Vindhya and Satpura, they run parallelly to each other. And traditionally you will find that guys, in the traditionally Vindhya mountain, they used to make border. They used to make border between North India and South India. So traditionally guys, what used to happen, ki the Vindhya mountain, that used to make border between North India and South India. And they speak, whether it is Vindhya and Satpura, they are famous for the tourist spot like Panchmadhi, Kanha National Park, Amarkantak. Amarkantak you will find Son origin plus origin of Narmada, that is from Amarkantak. Omkareshwar temple, this is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is also in Madhya Pradesh. And the Goodwill Peak, this is called Sadbhavna Shikhar, Sadbhavna Shikhar, or it is called Kalumar Peak, and Dhupgarh, they are 1350 meter, that is the length. It is the highest point in the Vindhya and Satpura mountain range. So Goodwill Peak guys, it is located in this is Goodwill Peak, this is Sadbhavna Shikhar or Kalumar. Kalumar Peak, it is located where? So it is in Damoh district, of MP. And then we have Dhupgarh Peak, where it is located. So Dhupgarh Peak, it is located where? So it is located in Hoshangabad district. Hoshangabad district of MP. So this is located in Hoshangabad district of MP. So is that clear to all of you guys about this places? And there you will find Vindhyas and Satpuras, they run parallelly, and whenever guys you will cross the Vindhya mountain, then you will come to the South India. So that was a traditional mindset in the medieval India. If you want to go from north to south, so the boundary between north to south, that was Vindhya mountain range. So Vindhya was like the border between North India and South India. So guys, in this session, first of all, what we did, we discussed about the physiography of India, that is that is the mountains of the north and northeast. So in the next session guys, we will be discussing the rest of the geographical features of India. So my dear, that was all for the today. Let's meet in the next session.